In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can edit a name here in Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up Instagram and tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, simply hit edit profile just like so, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this where you can see your name and you can see your username in here. Your name's going to be that display name. It can be your real name, nickname, or business name, whatever it might be, and then your username is going to be that unique @ that people use to find your account or your profile link. So tap on whatever one it is that you want to change, adjust it from here, and then of course you can also change your actual name as well. Just remember, Instagram does limit how often you do change these, and so your display name can only be changed twice within 2 weeks, and then of course after that your username is going to have its limits as well. But that is how you can edit your name or your username here on Instagram. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.